During my PhD, I started teaching. One of the key tips one of my early mentors told me was, make sure to be yourself. Don't try to project an image. People see through that so clearly. And if that meant being a clown in front of the class, that was awesome. And when you have to be serious, you're serious. But students typically find that much more engaging. But it's really bringing it back to this real world and then engaging them in trying to solve the problem.
On this shipwrecked episode of Mythbusters.
This course that I co-created with one of my colleagues in mechanical engineering based on the Mythbusters show, which we call Busting Myths with Analysis. We tackle these myths on a daily basis, and then I've gotten them to do something that they aren't used to doing, and it's debates, where even in an engineering class we can have debates around technology, about the use of technology, the value of what we're doing. And I find that absolutely riveting to watch, because these students who have never been put in these situations, because that's not what we do in engineering typically. You see the way their brains work, and it is phenomenal how much they learn through this. And you can see this in the world right now. People are reading things and believing them without actually testing them. We should be pushing back on a lot of things. What's really critical out of somebody coming out of a university, that's what they have to realize. They think all their job is going to be is sitting in front of a computer and doing some math. Well, it's not. I think it's an important part of it. So it is focused on the integration of graduate attributes through first year and trying to help students coming out of high school be better prepared for first year, giving them some sense of what university will be so that they're not completely shell-shocked, as most of them are when they walk in on the first day. So it's really trying to focus on how we build those skills early so that they will be doing better throughout their entire programs.